Hello there, my name is Pat Kevill and I'm a qualified horticulturalist and ethnobotanist. And it's my interest in these areas that has brought me to my two great passions in life, and they are people and plants. I really love to share my interest in plants with others, and in my interactive workshop I create a fun and stimulating environment where teams can connect, be creative, and more importantly, get to know each other a little better. Plant Store offer a variety of workshops, including indoor plant parenting, bee-friendly gardening, how to create a terrarium, and herb gardening. Our team building workshops are an excellent opportunity for your team to unwind and connect with each other. Our workshops are informal and interactive. The audience can follow along as I guide them through each step of the process. We encourage everybody to get stuck in, share their progress and ask questions. The workshops generally run for 1 hour. During the bee-friendly gardening workshop, we will cover food, shelter and safety needs of bees. We will also cover the life cycle of bees and the benefits for our ecosystem, and top tips on caring for your bee-friendly garden. Before the workshop begins, each participant will receive a kit. Each kit has everything they need for the workshop. At the end of the workshop, each participant will have a mini bee-friendly garden. We know that organising a workshop can be a lot of work, so we take care of everything for you from start to finish. We arrange delivery of the kits to your teams, and we host the workshop from start to finish. To book a workshop, you can do so online via our online booking form, or you can contact me directly and I'd be very happy to help with any questions. Thank you.